This is Pioneer's FH-S51BT. This is a 2-DIN AM/FM in-CD receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The FH-S51BT works with Pioneer's Rca app. The Rca app works as a remote control for nearly every function of your in-dash receiver from your compatible Android phone or iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your Android phone or your iPhone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, we'll pop this open. There we go, and the first thing we see here is the wire harness. Now we'll use the wire harness here to connect power and ground and speakers and all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to your vehicle. Next up we have some install screws. There's the bag of install screws. Next we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation for that microphone. Next up we have a wireless remote control included in the box. There's the wireless remote control. And next we have a quick note here saying to remove the plastic tab on the back of the in-dash receiver before install. Then we have the owner's manual. Here's the owner's manual. And finally we have the warranty card. All right, there's the warranty card. Let's get the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the FH-S51BT has a large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The CD slot is across the top. Radio station presets are across here. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. On the back panel of the FH-S51BT, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The electrical wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The FH-S51BT has a built-in amplifier that will power up to 4 speakers. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver for making hands-free phone calls. The one on the bottom is used for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 2 pair of Rca outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front and rear outputs or front and subwoofer outputs. This is part of the packaging. Be sure to remove it before installation. And that is Pioneer's FH-S51BT. And what's in the box?